Hello guys and welcome to Top Foreign Channel. This video will show you exactly how to earn $5,000 plus through Google Maps. Please hit the subscribe button below this video and make sure to click on the notification bell so I can send you the latest info on making money online. As you can see, a payment just sent me for using Google Maps. Although results aren't guaranteed, you might make more than this, the same or a little bit less. But I can guarantee that if you don't follow the exact steps throughout this entire video, you won't be able to accomplish results like this, so make sure you watch the entire video and don't skip any steps. Now these are the 3 steps to earning $5,000 from Google Maps. Here's step number 1. I'm going to show you the free software you need to get started. Then, in step number 2, I'll show you a script that will help you make more money done for you. And finally, in step 3, I'll show you how to automate your earning process using another platform. So let's go ahead and get started. You will need this software for the first step. You can download this Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension by searching that on Google. It is a Chrome extension for the Google Chrome browser. This will appear in your little Chrome browser, and it will help you find specialized businesses that aren't using Google Ads. Whenever businesses want to make money, they have to run ads. If they want to sell their products and make money, they have to run ads. But if no one can see their products online, then they will never be able to make any money online. So let's start by searching for businesses, and I'll pull up to businesses right now that you can reach out to with my script done for you. It will cost you $1,000 per month to run their Google Ads for each of these businesses. Now, you do not need to know how to run Google Ads, because I'm going to show you how to automate that at the end of the video. As you can see from the search, there are tens, maybe even 20, 30 golf shops in the New York area. In order to find the best rated ones, we're going to have to find them because they are selling very expensive golf equipment. You know, most people who buy golf gear are able to spend their whole day golfing and doing other things like that because they have both time and money. Especially now, when you know you might not be able to go to the golf shop to buy your stuff. Those shops make lots of money, especially during those times. The ones who aren't advertising online are suffering greatly. I just found out that most of these golf shops aren't running Google Ads or Google search ads. That means that if someone searches for golf shops near me, golf equipment in New York, or golf equipment right, none of these stores get, because none of these stores are taking advantage. What we're going to do is run their Google Ads for them. They pay us $1,000 and we run their ads. We're going to start with Melbourne Golf, a well-known golf shop that gets more customers and sales so that it does better than everyone else. They have good ratings and they can afford to pay you $1,000. If we look at their website right and pull up Google Tag Manager, you'll see that Legacy Tag Assistant is not available at the moment. They don't have any Google Ads running because they don't even have a Google tag on their website, so Google can pull data and find out who comes to their site via Google. So Google Ads are not running. We'll tell it this way because usually it will say there is a Google Pixel here, but it isn't there, so we'll use the Google Tag Assistant. Apparently, they did not run Google Ads, but are a client of ours. The next one will be Golf Shop near New York, which is also another one where Google Tag Assistant shows that no Google AdWords are running. 4.9 rating for Golf Shop near New York. Although they have a nice website, they aren't running Google Ads. They are trying to sell products online, but they did not run Google Ads. This is a major problem because none of these shops run Google Ads. Therefore, if just one shop starts running Google Ads, it will take a lot of customers from all of these other shops, which is good for you. So what we're going to do is get in touch with each and every shop listed on this page. Usually at the bottom, you'll find a Contact Us link. Alternatively, if you go to Contact, it will show you their email, and you can call them or you can email them. So, I'm going to show you an email that you can use to get in touch with them first rather than getting on the phone with them. First of all, we're going to use this script that's already done for you. The reason I tell them your Google domain is down is so they'll open the email because they are gonna see my Google domain is down. I'm saying that to get them to open the email because frankly they are not running Google Ads. It's not listed at the top of the page. So what I say is that I'm looking for assistance with one golf shop in New York. I'm looking to help one golf shop in the New York area to be the first to run Google Ads to drive more sales. It's worldwide, right? So you don't have to live in New York, you can be in a different country, but still run Google Ads. This is the first location I've contacted because I think you provide excellent customer service and have a good reputation in town. So if you would like to start using Google Ads, please contact me. It's important to include this last line because it gives them a sense of urgency and shows them that you don't care if they say no. We can ethically steal 50 customers from your competitors. It says that you need to contact me as soon as possible, as I'll only be helping clients on a first-come first-served basis, and that it's best regards. This is a good script that shows them how valuable you are and what you will bring to their company. In this way, they get a sense of scarcity and know that they are more than welcome to say no, and if you say no, I will go to the next golf shop, so once you schedule that call with them, they might like you. I'll run your Google Ads and I'll get you more customers if you pitch your offer right to them how much you charge. I am going to ask a question about your credentials, so what are your credentials? If they ask you about your credentials, you can take the Google AdWords certification right here at Google Skills Shop. The certification only takes 3 hours, so you could get Google AdWords certified today. It's a great thing to say, I'm Google AdWords certified, since Google certified me as a Google AdWords specialist. It's going to be a great opportunity for me to run your ads at the highest quality right now. They're going to say, that's great, let's go right now. You can charge them an extra couple of $100 for their Google Ads, and then you can find someone who is Google AdWords certified, and they will run the ads for you for $30, $10, $40, $95, right? It's like you get $970 profit and you don't even have to do any of the work. You keep your $1,000, maybe you pay someone $30, so you're left with $970 profit and you're running Google Ads for them. Start earning over $5,000 a month by getting 5 clients who each pay you $1,000. Also, I'm going to link 2 more videos on additional online income opportunities. I'll see you next time and take care.